Chapter 4 enters the inner world of modern work. It names the contradiction of being proud of what you have built, while feeling exhausted and unsure whether it will ever be enough. Modern workers often carry pride and pressure at the same time. You can know you are building something meaningful, and still feel frustrated, doubtful, and close to breaking. Ambivalence is a spectrum between security and freedom, stability and risk, survival and strategy. Most builders do not live at either extreme, they move somewhere in between. Hustle carries costs that success posts rarely show: unpaid hours, bills, responsibility, mental strain, and constant uncertainty. The work may look visible, while the burden remains hidden. Working without pause can look like strength, but when rest feels dangerous and slowing down feels like failure, burnout begins to disguise itself as progress. Income can be a blessing and still bring pressure. New clients, employees, and responsibilities may prove that you are growing, while making survival even more demanding. Not every vision grows quickly. The slow path can teach patience, clarity, and sustainable growth. Moving gradually does not mean you are moving in the wrong direction. The heaviest burden is often the silence around the work. Naming exhaustion does not make a builder weak. It makes support, honesty, and shared strength possible. People need more than motivation. They need flexibility, rest, mentorship, access, and recognition, systems that respond to the emotional and financial reality of modern work. Ambivalence does not weaken us, it makes us human. Next, Chapter 5 turns from reflection to evidence. Real people, real work, and the realities behind the scores. The way we measure work shapes the way we see people. The opportunity rate challenges us to look beyond unemployment and recognize the millions of people who are learning, building, creating, caring, trading, and contributing outside formal employment. This book introduces a new way of understanding work, dignity, participation, and possibility. Get your own copy of The Opportunity Rate and join the movement to recognize the hidden worker. Subscribe to our channel, follow the full chapter series, and help us spread the message. Let us move beyond simply counting unemployment. Let us begin measuring opportunity. To order your copy, WhatsApp us on 061 493 1772.